Welcome to the Axiom Trading Platform tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to earn points through trading on this platform. First of all, we need to create an Axiom Trading Platform account. Simply go to the website and select a method of verification. We will use the Phantom Wallet. Note that, for safety reasons, you will need to save your recovery phrase. After successful registration, we will need to deposit some funds in order to start trading. Simply copy the deposit address and send Solana tokens directly from your wallet or a centralized exchange. To start trading and earn points, choose a preferred coin. Trading on the Axiom exchange is no different from trading on any other platform. Simply enter the number of tokens you want to exchange and confirm the transaction. You can track all your balance changes and trades in the bottom section of the page. Besides spot trading, you can also earn points by trading futures. However, first of all, you will need to convert Solana into USDC tokens. Select the amount of Solana you want to convert and initiate the transaction. After the successful conversion, go to the Perpetuals Trading tab. Similar to CEX trading, choose a pair, set leverage, and enter the amount of USDC you would like to trade with. To track your points, go to the Rewards tab. Here, you can see your overall point statistics, the Solana rewards you've earned, and available quests. You can also create a unique referral link to invite your friends and earn a portion of their referral fees.